Hello, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I am very fine. And you?
I'm also good today. Thanks for asking. Well, I'm going to conduct your basic speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Thank you. So, first of all, tell me about yourself.
My full name is Rafi Ahmed, but you can call me Rafi. I am a student of class 7 at Shelter Global School and College. I live in at Uttara in Dhaka. I am 14 years old. My favorite subject is English. My hobby is reading book. I am a hardworking and honest student. And my goal is to become a teacher. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. But I have a question for you. The question is, what kind of teacher would you like to become in future? English teacher, math teacher, science teacher, what kind of teacher?
I want to be a math teacher.
Do you like mathematics?
Yes, I like.
Okay. Is it your favorite subject?
No, my favorite subject is English.
Okay. But why do you want to become an mathematics teacher?
I want to be a math teacher because of I know math is very well and I understand math and know basic math.
Okay.
So I like it.
Thank you very much. Well, I have another question. Do you have any favorite place?
Yes,
What
my
is
favorite place is beach.
beach? Okay. Can you describe it?
It is very well place where many people visit,
Mm-hmm.
and also I am visit there.
When did you visit?
I am visit last years.
Last year you visited.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How was the place? What did you see there?
It is so beautiful. I like it.
What did you see there?
I see there lot of people and lot of coconut trees,
Mm-hmm.
and also I saw lot of boats
Okay.
and many things.
Many things. Okay. Did you play there football?
Yes, I play with my friends.
Okay, thank you very much. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Shaun sir.
Shaun sir. Why is he your favorite teacher?
He is conducted our class and he is honest person.
Okay, do you like this talent hut?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, all right. Do you enjoy all the classes?
Yes, I enjoy all the classes.
Which class do you enjoy most? Which one? Pronunciation class, presentation class, dance class, which one?
I like presentation class.
Why?
It is so beautiful.
Okay. So the question is, what have you learned from last month?
I learned many things.
Many things. Can
Yes.
you tell me something? Topic name?
I learned pronunciation. I learned speaking simple present tense,
Mm-hmm.
and also I learned past simple tense.
Did you learn continuous tense?
Yes, present continuous tense.
Past
Also learned.
continuous tense. Have you learned present perfect tense?
Present perfect. Yes, I learned present perfect.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, your exam is over. Thank you. You may go.
Welcome.